They say every home has a story, but 515 Lido Drive? This one was written for impact. No gimmicks, no waiting around. Just a clear vision and execution to match. From the moment we launched, this waterfront beauty didn't just hit the market. It made an entrance. In just 16 days and 3 private showings, 1 open house, and a direct mail campaign that landed in 1,861 mailboxes with purpose. We crafted not 1, but 2 long-form video tours. Visually rich, emotionally resonant, designed to make buyers feel the lifestyle. And they did. Hundreds watched, engaged, clicked. On social, we didn't just run ads. We ran strategy, Facebook reach, over 14,000 people impressions, nearly 27,585 clicked directly to the listing. The momentum carried over to Zillow, where we saw 1,126 views, 42% higher than comparable listings, 33 saves, a solid 8% above the average. And here's the part they don't tell you. The real magic isn't just in the numbers, it's in knowing when to pivot, when to push, when to pause, and when to go all in. That's what we do. Not just list homes, we create visibility, desire, and urgency. 515 Lido Drive wasn't just shown, it was showcased, intentionally, professionally, effectively. If you're thinking of selling, don't list and hope. Launch with strategy, lead with story, deliver with precision. Contact Lourdes Maestres for a confidential consultation today.